going to solve the Rubik's Cube. One layer done. Two layers done. Almost done. Right about now.
Nice. See all the sides? All the sides?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.